Sick of low-quality dash cam videos that fail you when it counts? Or maybe you're just ready to upgrade to something smarter, sharper, and loaded with features. Well, you're in the right place because today we're talking about a real solution. Introducing the Rexing V1P Pro Dual Dash Cam, a powerful 2-channel system that records your journey in stunning 4K at the front and full HD at the rear. With its sleek design, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, night vision, and parking mode, this dash cam delivers crystal-clear footage and all-around protection. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Rexing V1P Pro Dual Dash Cam rear camera, power supply cable with car charger, rear camera cable, car wire trim tool, user manual, electrostatic and adhesive stickers, and cable clips. Specifications. Installation. There are several ways to install your dash cam, depending on how you want it to function. If you want it to operate only when the ignition is on, you can install it using the cigarette lighter socket or the OBD2 port. If you want it to stay powered 24/7, even when the car is off, a hardwire installation is required. In this video, we'll cover 2 installation methods for your dash cam, using the cigarette lighter socket and hardwiring it directly to your vehicle. Installation via cigarette lighter. Start by cleaning your windshield with a cloth, then choose a clear spot near the rearview mirror or in front of the passenger seat. Stick the electrostatic sticker at your chosen location. Next, remove the protective film from the dash cam, and then mount the dash cam onto the windshield. Connect the power cable to the dash cam and plug the other end into the cigarette lighter socket. Power it on to ensure it's working properly. Once confirmed, neatly tuck the cable into the vehicle's headliner and down along the A-pillar for a tidy setup. Hide the charger wire along the front windshield and up the side of the passenger seat to the back. Connect the rear camera cable to the dash cam, then repeat the process and mount the rear camera onto the rear windshield. Start the car and the dash cam will turn on by itself. Hardwiring the dash cam. Locate the cabin fuse box in your vehicle. Its exact position can be found in your owner's manual. For help, watch our fuse box guide video. Just tap the links below to view the video and access the manual. Plug the hardwire kit into your dash cam. Begin routing the cable along the edge of the windshield, tucking it into the headliner to keep things neat and out of sight. Use a multimeter to check the fuses in your vehicle. Find one fuse that always has power, VCC, and another that only powers up when the car is running, ACC. The VCC fuse should show 12 volts at all times, while the ACC fuse should only show 12 volts when the engine is on. Avoid tapping into fuses for airbags, ABS, or the ECU. Use empty slots or non-critical fuses like the radio, interior lights, or cigarette lighter instead. Connect the red VCC wire to a constant power fuse using a fuse tap. Make sure the outer prong of the tap aligns with the fuse slot's powered side. Attach the yellow ACC wire to a switched fuse that gets power only when the ignition is on. Use a fuse tap for a secure and proper connection. Finally, ground the black wire to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on the car's chassis. App connection. Download and install the Rexing app on your phone. Turn on the dash cam's Wi-Fi, then open the app and tap Add Camera. Enter the details shown on your dash cam to connect. Once paired, you can sync settings and access all features. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.